Alright guys, we got the headliner out for the two-door Tahoe. It's got the cutout for the Panoramic G6 and the regular Webasto sunroof. We're going to go ahead and wrap it now. Start taking shape on it. And then once we get it all glued on, then we're going to go ahead and wrap the back part of it. We'll turn it over, wrap everything on the inside, and then cut out the areas for the visors. And then I don't cut this out, the holes, until I have it in the truck to where I can cut it out and match it up perfect with the brace frame of it. So that's what we're looking at now with the red suede. Alright guys, headliner's done. It's been wrapped. Like I said, I don't cut out the center parts until I have it in the truck, but I just wrapped it and put the buttons in. This is what it's looking like right now. Like I said, this is for a two-door Tahoe with the G6 panoramic and a regular sunroof. This is a big ass headliner wrapped in red suede. Looks good. Alright guys, stay tuned for the install. Alright guys, we got the two-door Tahoe back. We're going to put that headliner in. I had wrapped it a while back. Now that we got some time now, we're gonna go ahead and install it. As you can see, it does have the G6 and the regular Webasto sunroof on. We did go ahead and extended the wires. I don't know if you remember from the previous video, the wires were hanging right here, the button. We went ahead and extended everything. The button for the harness here for the button, and then the shade. Everything is ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and start installing the headliner. I just want to make sure everything is good, everything is extended out. We're gonna go ahead and bring in the headliner, get it all installed, and then we'll go ahead and start cutting it out for the sunroof and the rear G6. I'll go ahead and open it. Alright guys, headliner's installed. Came out real good. Let's check it out.